Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to record or how to make a professional educational video. For that, what you have to do, you see here, what we are doing here, you have to take OBS Studio. With these apps, you can record, right? Now, we'll show you how you can record a video with the help of laptop or computer. Here we have a app that is Note 3. With this Note 3, you can make professional educational video. First of all, the Note 3, what you can do, I'm going to show you what are the various facilities here you are going to. This is one of the apps you can do many things with this one. First of all, you can change the background color. You see here, there are various types of background here. You see, this is white in color. In white color, you can write anything as you like with this pen, right? If you want to write with red pen, and go there, and for that you have to take the pen tab. Here you see, this is the pen tab. I am using here pen tab. Welcome to our channel. I am writing here, welcome to our channel. This is white in color. Welcome to our channel. To our channel. You can write whatever you like, whatever you want to express in your teaching. You can use with this whiteboard, right? Now you can change the background according to your need. Suppose if you want to, need this one or this background or this background, or you can use also a black background also, right? Not only that, you can use a green screen also. This is green screen. This is this one, or you can use this one. This one is one of the best effective method of teaching in this background. You can use this green, deep green, or this one, this one, this one, this one, or any color you can use with this one, or you can use a any color with this one, right? These are the various color you can use. You can use it, or you can use the green. This is very one of the effective background for this green. You can write anything according to your need. Welcome to our channel. Again, we are writing welcome to our channel. Welcome, and this is one of the effective method. Welcome to our channel. Now you see how we can use these apps to change the background color. Now what do we want to do more of these things? You can change the pen color also. You see here, you can change the color to white. And now you see, you can change this color to white color, and you see this is white in color. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel. Welcome to our channel, right? Now you can change the color of this pen according to your need. This is white in color. Besides that, you can use, these are various colors. You can use green also. You can use this color also. You see here, we are changing the color of this pen with this one, that is welcome to our channel. According to your need, you can change your color of the pen. Welcome to our channel, right? These are the various facilities you can use with these apps, that is Note 3, and use it in your computers for making a professional educational video. Here see, this is the eraser. You can use this eraser to erase this one according to your need. This is the eraser, right? You see here, this is the eraser. You can use your eraser according to your need, right? These are the various shapes you can use. You see here, this, if you want to circle, make a circle here, or you can use various types of, this is parabolic, or this is this shape, or you can take a triangle also according to your need. You can take, right? You can also change the color of this color also, right? For that color, if you go there and change it into white color, you could gain into white color, or you can change it according to your need. You can change it according to your need, white in color, right? You see here, if you want another color, suppose you want triangle here, make a triangle here. If you want to change the color, then go there and change the color into yellow. According to your need, you can change the color also. And this is what we call it roaming. You can take this triangle here, you can take this triangle here, you can take this parabola here, you can take this circle here, you can take this one here, right? You can change it. That is roaming. And T is for, this is text. If you want to text add text, you can text add text also. This is undo, you know here, and this is redo with those this one, and this is uh, the text box. You can use the text box also according to your need, right? In text box also you can write anything according to your need, right? These are the various things. You can use different slide. This is slide number 1, this is slide number 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, etc. And you want to go back 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see, this is slide number 1. These are the various facilities you can do with this Note 3. Besides that, there are various other features also. You can browse through it. Browser, go to browser. This is our browser. You can go to any browser and you can write here anything as according to your needs. Suppose you want to know about computers, COMPUTER, and search here. You will get the image of computer. See here, these are the various things of, right? That means you can go to Google and add according to your need, right? Beside that, you have a writing board also. If you want to writing board, write anything in this board according to no need in proper time. Suppose you want to know about triangle, right here triangle is here, triangle. Or you can write another things, right? Square. This is our writing board. You can write anything on this board, right? And not only that, you can do according to need. You can rub this one, right? Or you can save this one, or you can use the different colors also. If you want a red color, go to red color, right? These are the various facilities here, right? This is a very one of the important. This, if you want to read a clock, here see this is 6:35 now, right? You can use the clock also according to need. Not only that, you can use the calendar. You see this is the date of 17. Today is German date of 17, right? You can use the magnifier, right? Here you see this is our magnifier. You want to magnify anything according to your need. You see, if you want to magnify this circle or this one or this one, you can magnify this one. This one you can magnify according to your need. You see, you can magnify all these things. And these are the various features you can use with this app, right? This is a mask. You can mark this here. You can write a question here, and the answers will be marked here, and you can use these marks also. Not only that, you have various facilities of spotlight. This is the spotlight. You can use this spotlight according to your need. Here, this is the spotlight, right? You see, this is the spotlight, right? Beside this, there are other things also, right? This is the date, right? Now, this is our text box. If you want to read the text box here, this is right. This is the text box you can use here, and you can write anything according to your need. Write welcome, 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 right? If you change the color, if you want to change the color, you can change also, or you can change the style of anything, like this is Calibri, or you can change the style. If you have to first select this one, select this one, select it, and if you want to change the color, change the color into white. You see, this is white in color. You can change the according to your need. You can make it a blue, bold, or italic, or underline, or you can background color. You can change the background color as green, or this one according to your need, right? Then these are the various things. You can use the change the color size also. First off, you have to select this one, and then you use this size, right? And here you can delete it also according to your need. These are the various facilities you can do with this one, and the various things you can use the timer also. When you start the timer, you start counting the seconds, right? You see, 1 second, 2, 3, 4. This is the timer you can use according to your need, right? Beside that, there is object booth also. You can focus any thing on your camera, right? Here there is no camera here, that's why you are not going to start this one. And beside this, you can use anything according to your need. And this is the screenshot. If you want to take the screenshot of this one, you take a screenshot. There are 3 methods of screenshot: the whole screen, this is the whole screen you have taken, this is the part of it, this is part, this part only, you see, this part only, right? And if you want to particular freeform, then go this one, freeform up to this part, you get this part also, right? In this way you get the freeform also for taking this one, right? In this way you can take the screenshot also. Now the last one is thinking axis. You can use the thinking axis also according to this is the thinking axis. Click here to add new nodes, right? These are the various nodes you can find here, and this is the thinking axis. Now we are going to delete all these things. No, right? Now these are the various facilities we get with this node 3. You can use according to your need. You can change the background. You can use any type of color. All these things you can use with this node 3, right? I already told you. Besides that, you can take anything according to need. You can go to a desktop mode. This is our desktop mode. You can use according to your need. You can see here you can do anything with this desktop mode, right? If you go to normal, then this is the normal position, or go to desktop. In the desktop here you can also write here according to your need, right? Now this is the normal mode, and now you see this is the desktop mode. Besides that, here there are 3 modes here also. You can import any file, you can import export any file, you can print, setting, help, and their mode. In mode you can switch. There are 3 mode. This is our teaching mode, right? This is the teaching mode, and you can see here this is various. There are 3 modes. This is our preparation mode, this is the preparation mode, and this is what we call it as normal, in 3 modes. And this is the desktop mode. I already told you this is the desktop mode. You can explain it with your desktop also, right? This is the desktop mode, right? Not only that, you can see various other things also, right? This is the desktop. Or you can import any object. Suppose you go to import. If you want to import any file, go to file and import any file accordingly. Suppose you want this file, go to here and open it, and it will be opened here. You see, you import this file and take it according to your need. Take it here, or take it here, or take it here according to your need. You can take this one, right? Not only that, if you want to, or you can delete this also according to your need, right? Now if you want to import any, or import any clipboard, you can general materials. You can also take general materials also, right? This is the general materials. You can import anything according to your need. You can export anything, right? You can, there are settings, new open, and you can open a new file, save a file, or save as file according to your need, or you can go to exit mode also. That means with this apps is very important for us for teaching, for making a professional educational video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.